So, good afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the water softening. So first, what is water softening? Water softening is a process removes offending minerals from water. It is achieved either by adding chemicals that from insoluble precipitate or by ion exchange. So first, what is insoluble? Insoluble means it's a fiber that doesn't dissolve on hard water. Water is considered hard when it contains a large amount of calcium. Take note this one, guys. Calcium, magnesium, and iron. But why do we need to soften the water? To avoid this following. First, yellowish or grayish, especially in your laundry, which is the color is white. It can cause dirtiness to your laundry, like color yellowish or grayish. Next is the white scaling on faucet, which can destroy the appearance of your faucet. It can cause dirtiness, or when you don't clean it for a long time, it will cause clog to your faucet. And next, the soap scum. So this is one of the dangerous part that can hard water cause, because especially in hotel, if we have a guest that are old, soap scum can cause slippery floors, the bathtubs, and if it will happen, it is very dangerous to our guests. Next is the cloth fiber strip off, loose softness. So truly, hard water can cause um, can deeply destroy the quality of the cloth. And next is more soap and detergents. That it is one of the problem that we had a high expenses, because if we don't soften our water, we expense more soap and detergents. And lastly, it can affect to your skin and hair. So if you are sensitive with your skin and hair, you better use water softener. So what we can do? Water softening is the key to avoid and prevent these problems. So if you can see, these are the parts of the water softening: the supply water, the control valve, the brine tank, softened water, and the mineral tank. So now, let me tackle about the 6 types of water softening. 1. Salt-based water softener or the ion exchange. Salt-based systems are the traditional type of water softener that most people are accustomed to. It completely removes the hard water minerals, and it requires weekly upkeep and will need to continually buy bags of salt. It is quite hassle, right? But don't worry, we have 5 more left types of water softener, and maybe you can find some better. The second one is the salt-free water softener. Salt-free water system don't require the same continual upkeep that ion exchange system do, since they don't need regeneration or salt. But this system don't actually remove the hard minerals from the water, just neutralize minerals, removing unwanted impurities from the water like bacteria and chemicals. But there is no maintenance. And the third one is the reverse osmosis water softener. Reverse osmosis uses high pressure to force the water through the RO membrane that filters down to the microscopic levels. This system will also be fed through several other filters on the way to ensure that all impurities and bacteria are removed. This is very safe to drink. Next is the shower head water softener, and it's very obvious that it is only specific, or it is the water softener of the shower. The filter will need to be replaced about every 2 months. It's a quiet hassle again. Some of these shower heads even features vitamins filters, so you can add on if you want to, that fortify your water with extra vitamins. So the next one is the portable water softener. Portable water softener make it possible to have soft water wherever you go. So this water softener is good for travelers that aiming to still have a soft water even if they travel around. That could possible to have a soft water in the place. It is also safe to drink because it removes all the impurities and bacteria of the water. And the last type of water softener is the magnetic water softener. Similar to salt freeze system, magnetic water conditioner neutralize the hard minerals to prevent them from bonding together or clogging, keeping them completely soluble. So again, insoluble is a fiber doesn't dissolve in water, while the soluble is a fiber that will dissolve to water. It only neutralizes the minerals but doesn't remove it. It also requires electricity. Washing soda can remove the hardness of water, but the question is how? So, by adding the right amount of soda, it can soften your water. Just for example, this. For 30 degrees of hardness, add 2 ounces of soda to 10 gallons. Second, 25 degrees of hardness, add 1.5 or 13/4 ounces soda to gallons. And for the 20 degrees of hardness, add 1 ounces of soda to 10 gallons. And I will let you read for the rest. Most importantly is we need to know the methods of using, and there are 3 steps for it. First, dissolve the right amount of soda in the boiling water. Take note of that. And second, add to this water to be softened and stir well. And lastly, a white powder will form in the water. Leave this to settle before using again. Dissolve the soda in the boiling water. Second, stir well. And third, leave and settle before using.